Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Hangouts account. So Hangouts is basically a social networking site that helps you remain connected with your friends, families, or anybody else. You can have a conversation on a single by single basis or in a group, and it basically helps you to connect. So if you want to learn how you can log into your Hangouts account, stick with me till the end of this video to find out how you can do that. For this, make sure that you've already downloaded the app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As you open up the app, you can see a button there that says Get Started. So tap on the Get Started button. And as you do that, now what you have to do is you'll have to choose any of your accounts in order to sign in with Hangouts. So you can already select an account, a Google account, or you can add another account. As you tap on add another account, what you have to do is allow Hangouts to use Google in order to continue. Now here you'll have to enter your Google credentials. So because Hangouts is powered by Google, you basically can sign in or log in through your Google account. So make sure that you fill in the correct credentials, and then after doing this, tap on the tick mark on the top right corner, and after a certain while you get logged into your account. So this is basically how it works. It's a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around next time.